tastes so good. But I do know, like, Harry and the Natives having a Halloween party on Halloween.
Yep.
Jupiter Narrows, which I'm going to do a video soon on, has the like largest Halloween gathering in Hobe Sound, I would say. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Jupiter Narrows is incredible. So they shut down the neighborhood. Only residents are allowed in park. Like, you're not allowed to drive it. And people outside will park and walk from all over Gomez in, and they will flood that neighborhood. And houses
Side
are all-
note, if you're buying a house in Jupiter Narrows, you better love Halloween.
You better love Halloween.